Hello everyone! In today's video we are taking a look at the Logitech G502 HERO to see why this gaming mouse is so popular. You can find it basically in any store with tons of sales and good reviews. I got mine from AliExpress, which has the best price, so hit the like button and let's start. AliExpress is sponsoring this video, so I want to remind you that the iconic Double 11 Mega Sale is very close. It offers up to 90% off on all products, so definitely check it out and use these exclusive discount codes on checkout to save even more. There is also an online challenge, I'll share more about it later in the video. So I got the package pretty quickly, the box arrived in great condition. In the box we have a user documentation, gaming mouse itself, and case which contains 5 optional weights, each 3.6 grams. Overall, I have a nice first impression. I really like how natural the grip feels, the build quality and the materials they use. The button clicks are very satisfying. The scroll wheel caught my attention right away. This mouse has an infinite scroll feature. The scroll wheel works just like any other, but if you press on this button, it spins with no break, like a fidget spinner. This is my first experience with this feature, so I'll check it out later in action to see if it's any good. Speaking of weight, this mouse itself weighs 121 grams, so it's not a trendy light mice you see everywhere. It also has a 5 3.6 gram weights for adjustment. Under the bottom cover, the mouse has a spot for the weight. With all weights, it's 139 grams, so pretty cool if you prefer the heavier mouse. Logitech G502 series has been around for a long time, released back in 2014, and over the years has proven its design and durability. Of course, it has been updated over the years, and it can now reach 25,000 DPI, which is pretty good. Let's power it up. The mouse has around 6 feet long cable. It is soft and very flexible, so it should be enough for any setup. For some, wire might be a con, so there is a wireless version of this mouse also available on AliExpress. My Windows system picked out the mouse right away. You can see the mouse has a backlight, it is RGB, and you can change it to any color you like with the Logitech G-Hub software. I recommend downloading this app from Logitech website right away. Besides changing color, you can customize DPI presets and all 11 buttons. Yes, that's right, 11 programmable buttons. It has 5 buttons on the left side, 1 on top, and scroll wheel controls 3 different buttons. That's very impressive. You can even create separate profiles for each game. The coolest thing that you can save all your presets and DPI profiles on mouse memory. And even if you change your PC, your settings will not change, and you can cycle through profiles with the DPI button. Let's now try it in action. Right off the bat, the mouse slides very easily, aim in games, and overall mouse control is also good. We have 25K DPI sensor here, so it's no wonder. If you are coming from a generic office mouse, you will feel the difference in precision right away. Plus, the programmable buttons are real cheats. If you're trying to get better in FPS game, assign things like healing or sliding on the side buttons to have easier access, literally at your fingertips. Those extra seconds can be crucial in a fight. Also, if you like long range plays, you can use the DPI shift button. That's one on the left side with a crosshair logo. When you hold it, the mouse lowers the sensitivity, so you have more precision aim. The DPI shift value, of course, also customizable. You can see the backlight reflects the shift when I'm in scope. I actually find it pretty useful and like it. The infinite scroll wheel, on the other hand, got me confused. It's for sure nice for scrolling through long documents, but I can't find any benefit in gaming, other than annoying your teammates, of course. So let me know in the comments if you have any ideas. After using this mouse for a while and checking all the features, it's not a surprise it's so popular. Logitech G502 HERO is a very well built mouse with premium quality, decent specs and cool features. For $38 it's a great value. Check it out on AliExpress and don't miss out on Double 11 Mega Sale. Don't forget to use these exclusive codes on checkout to get an extra discount. You can also download the AliExpress app and join the dollar challenge for a chance to buy products such as a new laptop for just $1. Let me know what you think about the Logitech G502 HERO in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.